are watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hey there everyone, it's Holly here with Melody Lane Inspired, and I'm excited. Well, anytime there's a mystery box, I'm excited, but we have a new Cricut mystery box. This one is going to be the Fire and Ice mystery box. So, let's see what's in the box. I literally just opened it and haven't even went through it yet, so let's see what we got. All right, inside the box, we are going to have, first thing is premium vinyl in orange. So this is going to be the permanent glossy 24 inches of orange permanent vinyl. Oh, it looks very American in here, doesn't it? Red, white, and blue. It's very red, white, and blue. Or fire and ice. Makes sense. All right, we're going to have the Sports Flex Iron on in true blue. This is going to be 11.8 inches by 24 inches. Now, Sports Flex Iron On is perfect for those active wear things like polyester and nylon, because it's a flex to the fabric that goes with those more. Always good for the active wear. Now, always drawn to the sparkly. So what do we have here? We have, this is glitter iron on in white, and you're going to get 12 by 19 inches of this. This is the mesh. So I don't know if you can see here, the glitter iron on mesh. It's glitter, it's got the little mesh there. You can put on activewear, you can put on totes, shoes, backpacks, and it gives that cute mesh effect with some glitter. Because you can always use glitter. All right, this is going to be holographic iron on. This is the translucent blue, and you're going to get 12 by 24 inches of that. I like to call this the unicorn stuff. Any of the holographic. It's like, this is what unicorns are made of. Also going to get some more sparkly. This is glitter iron on in the red. So you're going to get 12 by 19 inches of red glitter iron on. But you could do so much with this. Think Valentine's Day, Christmas, graduation with the school colors with red. There's a lot of that. All kinds. And everyday iron on in white. Why? Because you can never have enough of this. I just went through this. I was trying to find some I didn't have any. I was like, oh, yes. So everyday iron on in white, and that's going to be the 12 by 24 inches also. I know you guys see this box, right? Like, what's in the box? We got a little box. That's always our favorite, right? All right. We got Sports Flex Iron on, and this is going to be in the red also. So this is 11.8 inches by 24 inches. And that is, it looks a little orange on camera here. It's not. This is like fire engine red. So bright red, beautiful. And with all this, think 4th of July, there's all this red, white, and there's some blue, a little holographic blue. And then we also have premium vinyl in white. Again, can never have enough of the white and black. I always seem to have the colors, and then when I need the white and black, I'm like, where is it? So you're going to get 12 by 48 inches of the white premium vinyl. Also going to get the bright pack of the neons, the neon pack, of the Cricut Infusible ink markers. So these are those markers you can write and have them put on mugs. You can have them put on t-shirts. You have to use laser printer paper and have your kids draw on them. Like Father's Day is coming up, make those mugs for grandpa or dad and have your little one's artwork on it. So you get a package of those also, and then dun da da da, the star of the show. It is the Coral Cutie, guys. She's a fun summer shade, but she, it. Little cutie guy here is Coral, a pretty shade of coral. He is a repeat. Hold on, I have another coral here. Let me check. I can compare these side by side here. Well, I will say, I don't know if I'm crazy, guys. Tell me if I'm crazy, but it looks like this one's antennas are a little different, right? These ones are the previous cutie that was Coral Cutie that was released, and this is the one in the Fire and Ice box. So to me, they are slightly different. The antennas definitely look different shaped. So, woo! So that's everything that's in our Fire and Ice mystery box. I'm very pleased with the cutie. the Coral Cutie. So this box is $59.99. It is Cricut Access only, but if you're not Access, don't worry. There's links below that you can sign up for Access. That's just one of the small benefits you get. There's so much more you get with your Access membership. They just added a new monogram maker. You have background remover. You save on all your purchases from Cricut. You have access to 200,000 plus images and fonts. So, and you save on every mystery box. So that $59.99 is never $59.99. Access members will save 10%, and the premium Access members will save 20%. So, links are below. Go ahead and buy before they sell out, because whenever there's this cutie, they usually go quickly. So thanks everybody for joining me. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye.